Hello, hello. I just want to talk about how to link Zoom to or live stream Zoom to Facebook. So on the right hand of your screen, preferably you should be using a laptop, is the more button that you click and you have more of things that you can do. So you click on live on Facebook. You also have YouTube or Switch or whatever other streaming device or software that you want to use. But we are going to predominantly talk about the Facebook for that matter. So if you click on that, you will see in fact, now I need to share my screen so that I can show you what goes on then on Facebook. So just hold on a minute and I'll share the screen. So this is what you get. So once you click the button or the icon on the live Facebook, you put the title of the program or whatever you're going to talk about on here. Preferably, usually the title and description, but normally it's just that one thing that you want people to know of. So you just put whatever it is that you want to talk about, five things you did not know, or six things you didn't know about Facebook, or something like that. You didn't know about Facebook. So just make sure that you repeat the same here, or if you have the description of, so for example, the topic by topic thing that you want to talk about, that's where that goes. If you don't have that, please repeat this like six things. Let me just copy and paste it again, because sometimes the title doesn't show. So 6 things you didn't know about Facebook. So then you have the next option is choose where to post your Zoom. You can share on your timeline or share on wherever you want. So let's talk about the timeline. So the timeline is your personal Facebook account that you can share on. You can also share on your page, your Facebook page, or you can share on any group. But in this case, I'm going to share on my timeline. And I hope that, if you're starting out, it is important that you start with your timeline, because that's where you have many people kind of logging in to see, or that's where perhaps depending on the number of friends you have, that it will be shown to more people. The other next thing is who should see this. On the arrow, you can find out, do you want just your friends or just you alone to see? These are crucial markers. So for example, if you are, if it's something, for example, a Facebook Live or a training that I want everybody to see, it is public. Rarely do I put just friends only, because what I want to share usually is for everyone. Then, or if it is something, a training that I'm doing that I don't want people to have access to that information yet, I put it on only me. And that means that that video is locked away for just me to have a look at. So in this instance, because it's training as well, I'm going to click just me so that when I go live, it is not on public display. So then go live is the next one. It talks about the terms and conditions and privacy here and there. But of course, that is just routine. So Zoom has now linked up with Facebook, and it says this meeting is being live streamed. You have the opportunity to leave or to stay. The reason being that, well, that is for the public actually, but for you, it's just a notification. And then so you say you have got this, and that's it. That is the live on Facebook, as you can see on Facebook. And I will jump back to Zoom, and you see the screen on Zoom as well. So that's how to to do it. Now I'm going to unshare. And then, yeah, so when I unshare, you can see that this is the Zoom screen. And then if I share again, you see that I am live on Facebook. What you don't do is to go and click on the Facebook link, because on the Facebook video, because you'll be having to, the communication, like the talking, will be in two parts, and you don't want that to happen. You just want all the focus and the concentration to be on Zoom, and that will be feeding onto Facebook. So that's it with this video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, let me know. Take care.